over trading would be the next one. I mean, they're just too active.
Yeah, in fact, one of my favorite traders out there, his name's Peter L. Brandt. I'd highly suggest that you look into some of his stuff. He's very active on Twitter and stuff like that. But I saw something that he said recently that really stuck with me. He said, if you have a compulsion to trade, meaning you wake up every morning and the first question is, okay, what trade am I putting on? That compulsive trader, they're on a one-way road to ruin.
Yep.
I mean, it's being patient it's still one of the hardest things, and that's why it's not easy being a profitable, consistent trader. But you really have to sit there, be picky, only select the setups that really look good and that really fit your strategy.
If you want excitement, I think it's Mitch. He says if you want excitement, get a hobby, find a significant other, whatever word you want to use. Don't go to trading for excitement.
Right.
Go there for money.
And we've met traders that really just come in and just want to just push buttons. They like the idea of...
Well, we know one who pushes a lot. He makes money, but he pushes lots of buttons. Right. It's not a way I want to trade or a way I want to live. And I used to do that, where I was taking a lot of trades in a day. And I first started to see my significant money trading a lot. But I've also went back and looked at some of my hard days where, like, days I was up, nicely for the day, and I gave back 50% of that by over trading.
Right.
Constantly, I'm up this next trade, I'm up 600 for the day. If I grab another 350, I'm approaching $1,000. That's a better day. Well, you've got to have rules for that. You got to know how many. I mean, do you know how many trades you take a day? Like consistently, is it a consistent number?
No.
Okay, mine's pretty fairly consistent. It's like between 1 and 3, right, across asset classes. Let's say. Let's just say,
I'm trading a little longer time frame.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, got it. Yeah, so let's just say I'm going to be quasi-active in the futures market. I'm only taking 1 to 3 across all of them I'm taking, and I'm using time frames, let's say an hour above. Give or take the occasional time I go a little bit lower. It's giving me 1 to 3 trades a day.
Right.
I'm completely fine with that. But some people have they don't know where their cutoff is.
And it's not just the fact that you incur commissions.
Yes. Oh no, not at all.
It's just you tend to. We were talking about being picky.
Mm-hmm.
You tend to throw your approach out the window if you have this compulsion to trade. If you really don't really care about the quality of the setup or the quality of the.
You're not taking that picture perfect. Like, oh wow, that's my setup.
Yeah. You're more just interested in just shooting off the hip, and that can lead to.
Rolling the dice almost, like the disastrous. That's a big word. Yeah.